Welcome children. Let's come to the revision set where we are going to solve some of the mixed type of questions. Come to question number 2 from today's set. Let me read out the question. It is given the area of a rectangle is 650 centimeter square. What has given? Area. Okay. It is question number 2 from your revision set. That is area has been given, that means length into breadth, that is equal to given 650 centimeter square. Okay. Now the breadth is given 13 centimeter. Breadth has given 13 centimeter. Here you have asked to find the perimeter. So before I going to the perimeter, we need that length also. So what will be the length? As the area has given, yes, breadth has given. So easily we can find out the length, which is equal to 50 centimeter. Yes. Now if I am getting that length is equal to 50 centimeters, so what will be the perimeter? We know perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. So what we are getting here? 2 into L is 50 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 13 centimeter. So when I am adding this, what I am getting? That is equal to 63. So ultimately we are getting what? 126 centimeter. What it is? This is the asked answer in this question, which is the perimeter of this given rectangle. Okay, and here in your question set it is option D. Now come to one more question. Let's come to, yes, it will be a different kind of question which you have never solved. Come to question number 5 from the set. Number 5. Yes, whatever hints has been given, I am not going to follow this one. I will solve it in a little bit different way. Let's try to follow. The area of a rectangular carpet is given 120 meter square. Yes. And its perimeter is given 46 meter. Okay. So what can you write? Area. So length into breadth, that is equal to given 120 meter square. Whereas 2 into L plus B, that is given 46 meter. Yes. Now you have asked the length of its diagonal. Yes. So that lengths of the diagonal we can get it if we know the length and the breadth. Then when we are putting this length and breadth in this rectangle, that means if this is the asked rectangle, where is the length and breadth we don't know. So after I getting these two measurement, we can find out this diagonal also. Diagonal is what? It will join the opposite vertices of this rectangle. Okay, it will be something like that. Okay, so let's come to this one. How can you solve this one? It is that length of this diagonal is asked in this question. Now what more thing we can do here? Yes, I can change this one, that only L plus B, which will be 46 centimeter by 2. That means we can write it 23 centimeter. Here you might have understood that length plus breadth will be 23 centimeter, whereas length into breadth will be 120 meter square. So that such number will be there, which sum will be 23 and whose product will be 120. So for that you can go for a trick. See, if I am factorizing 120, yes, we have to think for such number whose product will be 120 and sum will be 23. Let's go for this. Okay, here it is 60, then it is 30, then it is, we can write 15. Okay, see, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes, so 8 plus 15, what you will get? 8 plus 15 equal to 23. Yes, and 8 into 15, that is coming 120. So here we can consider the length and breadth. The length and breadth we can consider that length will be 15 meter. It is not centimeter, it is meter. Okay, and breadth we can consider as 8 meter. Yes, in this way you can find it out. For the first calculation you can go for this. So here let it be 15 meter, let it be 8 meter. What will be the length of the diagonal now? Now previously in previous set we have solved how to find the diagonals. For that what we have done, we have considered this is, and it is a right angle triangle, this is the right angle, its opposite side is the hypotenuse, which is here as considered as the diagonal. So this is, let it be hypotenuse. You have asked the length of this hypotenuse. So which formula we are going to apply here? Pythagoras theory. What does it told you? Hypotenuse square is equal to height square that is the height square and that is the base square. Yes, so what we are getting, 64 plus, here it is 225, that much meter square. That means here you are getting 289 meter square. Now, so what can I write? Hypotenuse into hypotenuse equal to 289 means it is the square of 17. So you can write it 17 meter into 17 meter. So hypotenuse 1, hypotenuse that is equal to 17 meter. Yes, here that one we can mark as 17 meter. So your asked answer in this question, your question was the length of the diagonal. Here this hypotenuse is the diagonal, here this is the diagonal. Yes, so this is the diagonal also. Okay, so length of the diagonal, that is equal to what? Here we have found it out, that is equal to 17 meter. This is the answer we are getting here in this question. Let's come to the next question. The next question is number 7 here I have taken. That is, let's go through the question first. If the ratio between the length and perimeter of a rectangular plot is 1:3. So, what we can consider? In question number 7, we can consider the length equal to x. If we are writing that length equal to x, then perimeter we can consider as what? 3x, as the ratio was given according to that. Now, we know that perimeter equal to what? We know 2 into length plus breadth equal to perimeter. Yes, that is the formula. Tell us. So here, in this case, length, in place of length, we can write x, that is breadth, that is equal to 3x. So, x plus b, that means length plus breadth, equal to 3x by 2 we can write. So, breadth is equal to 3x by 2 minus x. So, what we are getting here is 3x minus 2x by 2. So, ultimately, breadth equal to, we are getting, that is equal to x by 2. Yes, that's what we have find out. Now you have asked to find the ratio between the length and breadth. Yes, here the length is x and breadth is x by 2. So the ratio of length to breadth. So what we will write here? We will write it x is to x by 2. Yes, as it is given in fraction, so what we can do? We can multiply both of them by 2. What we will get? We will get 2x is 2x. So let's remove this x. What will remain here? 2 is to 1. So the ratio between the length and breadth will become 2 is to 1. I hope you people have understood this question. Let's come to one more question. Come to page number, that next page. Here come to last question, number 15. How many envelopes can be made out of sheet of paper 72 centimeter by 48 centimeter? If each envelope requires a paper of size 18 centimeter by 12 centimeter. Okay, without multiplying we are going to find this number. Let's see how to do. Here, yes, number 15 I am going to solve here. Let it be the size of the paper. What has been given? The size of the paper, that is equal to what? That means the big paper from which we are going to prepare this envelopes. That is equal to, given 72 centimeter into 48 centimeter. Okay, this is the size of the paper from which we are going to find out, we are going to prepare some of the envelopes. Now the paper required for a envelope, for an envelope, so paper size, paper for an envelope. Yes, how much is required? What will be the size of that? Yes, let's see. That will be 18 centimeter by 12 centimeter. Yes, so number of envelopes will be make out from this size of paper. So number of envelopes will be number of envelopes equal to the size of the big paper by the size of the paper required to make one envelope. So let's cancel what you will get. Yes, 12 fours are. Yes, and 18 fours are. So what we are getting? 4 4 just 16 envelopes we can make out of this 42 centimeter into 48 centimeter size of paper. So let's try to solve the remaining questions. All the best.